So hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal you versus them energy check-in for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general. I'm going to tap into your energies for from your side and the energy attached to you and where this connection is going. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you are going to watch this reading, like even if after 1 year, that is going to be valid for you at that moment as well. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's a 1 hour pre-recorded masterclass and it is the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's see, Sagittarius, on your side, let's see what we have. Wow, your energies are super open for a coming together, for a coming back together, for a reconciliation, for a partnership. You feel like having back and forth communication, a lot of fun, spending a lot of time with like a person with a specific energy whom you feel like is a family to you. It could be possible that you guys are already married or in a committed relationship or living together or planning to have something like that in the future, but your energies are super open in a particular direction and you're quite hopeful and positive that everything is going to work out in your favor sooner or later. But you're quite optimistic, quite happy, quite in this energy of everything is going to work out no matter what is going on right now. I know this is meant to be. It's like you are in this energy of this person and you are meant to be together no matter how many hardships and how many obstacles and challenges you guys have to go from, pass through. It's like the Seven of Swords at the bottom of the deck is telling me that you might be a little bit deceptive, or you might be a little bit daydreaming kind of a deal, or you might be not able to see the truth of the situation for what it is, but you are making it very positive in your energies, very hopeful in your energies. Now I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but there is some kind of deceptive energies around you that you might be ignoring or trying to ignore in this particular situation. That might cause a little bit of disturbance in the reality of this connection or of this situation. But from your side, you are super open, you are super happy, you are super optimistic, you are quite in this energy of no matter what, this situation is meant to work out because we guys are meant for each other kind of a deal. Okay, let's see for the connection. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to, Sagittarius. Okay, the energy attached to you is kind of stuck. They're not moving there, they're not moving here. They're like, I know the truth. Either this person wants to know the truth about the situation, okay, or they're in this energy of I got to know the truth, I got the clarity, and I don't want to do shit about it because now I understand what this is. Now I understand the whole chemistry of the situation, whole geography of the situation. This is somebody who's trying to cut this situation out of their life, or they're trying to cut some kind of deceptive energy out of the situation. Maybe this person is the one who did something wrong here, or this person is the one who hid something from you and you got to know about that. Even if you got to know about that, you're quite optimistic, but this person right now is in this energy of I got the clarity, or everything is crystal clear now, I need to surrender, I need time, I just need to hold on to myself right now. It's like this person wants time and space, and this person wants to see things from a totally different perspective. Something shifted in this situation big time, and this person right now wants to break free from the situation, at least for the time being, because they want to come towards you with a clean energy, like now I'm ready. Right now this person is not ready. Something is stopping this person to be ready for the situation, like fully the way you are. From their side, they're not fully ready, they're not fully open, because either they want to have some kind of clarity, or they got to know something about this situation. They already got the clarity, but they need more time. Right now they need themselves to be like with themselves only. Okay, break free from the situation, at least for the time being. Let's see for the connection what is happening, where it is going. We have the Knight of Wands, Justice, and the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands. One of you is very, very on and off, in and out of the situation. If that one person who is on and off, in and out, and very unstable in the connection, do the justice in the situation and like put in the effort and energy in this connection with their heart and soul, rather than putting in the effort and energy in this direction of, yeah, I'm here today, I'm not here today, I'm here today, I'm not here today, then this connection can become something beautiful, can become something lovely. This connection, I don't think this person's intention is to hurt you or harm you or take revenge from you or give you what we call that. This person doesn't want to hurt you in any way, shape or form, but because of their inconsistency, because of their immaturity, because of their in and out, on and off behavior, they end up hurting you again and again. So if the person who is on and off, in and out, and unstable minded can decide that they want something stable, they want to put in the effort and energy in this situation in a consistent way, then the situation can work out. Otherwise, this situation is going to become a passionate love affair only, and nothing more than that. Now you guys can decide if you want to have this kind of energy to in like around you, or you want to let it go, because one person who is not able to provide the stability, the security, and the safety in the connection needs to change themselves very, very, very deeply. Then only this connection can become something to work on, like to proceed further. Otherwise, it is something that is going to fade away with time, because passion, sexual energies, passionate energies, they are just temporary always. So yeah, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.